What's up guys, so today I'll be cleaning up the engine bay of my Mk1 Golf. As you can see, it is extremely dirty at this stage, full of dust and oil and grease, as we've been working on the car, changing the clutch and stuff like that. And then afterwards I'll be just giving you a general sound of how my 1.3 sounds at this stage. Just remember, it's still a standard 1.3 carburetor Golf, just with a free flow exhaust and the F1X back box. And yes, afterwards, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like the video as well. And thank you for the guys that's already subscribed and liked the videos and watched all my videos. And please stay tuned for the update on the interior and some new wheel color as well.